Hot peppers. Hot peppers, also called chili peppers, all come from one genus of plants called capsicum, native to the Americas. They've been cultivated by indigenous peoples in Mexico and South America for at least 6,000 years. Christopher Columbus brought them back to Europe in the late 1490s, mistakenly calling them peppers because their heat reminded him of black pepper. Within about 50 years, chilies had spread along trade routes to Africa, India, and East Asia, where they were adopted so completely that most people today assume they're native to those regions. The heat in a chili pepper comes from a chemical called capsaicin, which is concentrated in the white inner membrane that holds the seeds. Heat is measured on the Scoville scale, developed by American pharmacist Wilbur Scoville in 1912. A bell pepper sits at 0. Pure capsaicin sits at 16 million. Everything else falls somewhere in between. Poblano. The poblano is a mild dark green pepper that originated in the Mexican state of Puebla, which gave it its name. It typically measures around 1,000 to 2,000 Scoville heat units, making it one of the milder chilies in regular use. The pepper is large, heart-shaped, and has thick walls, which makes it ideal for stuffing. The flavor is earthy, slightly sweet, and only mildly spicy, with a deep, almost smoky undertone when roasted. When dried, the poblano changes name and becomes the ancho chili, which has a raisin-like sweetness and is one of the 3 peppers traditionally used in Mexican mole sauces. The most famous poblano dish is chiles en nogada, a stuffed pepper served with walnut cream sauce and pomegranate seeds. The red, white, and green colors match the Mexican flag, and the dish is said to have been created by nuns in Puebla in 1821 to honor Mexican independence. Poblanos are now grown commercially across the United States and Mexico and are one of the most widely sold fresh chilies in North America. Jalapeño. The jalapeño is the most recognized chili pepper in the world. It's named after Jalapa, the capital of the Mexican state of Veracruz, where it was originally grown and traded. The Aztecs were cultivating jalapeños long before Spanish contact, but rather than eating them fresh, they often smoke-dried them, which produced what we now call the chipotle. A typical jalapeño measures 2,500 to 8,000 Scoville heat units, which is mild to medium on the global heat scale. The pepper is small, glossy, and bright green when picked, ripening to red if left on the plant. The flavor is grassy and slightly sweet, with a sharp immediate heat that fades quickly. Jalapeños are commercially grown on huge scales in Mexico and the United States, with Mexico producing several 100,000 tons each year. They appear pickled on nachos, fresh in salsa, stuffed and breaded as poppers, and smoked for chipotle in adobo. In November 1982, a jalapeño became the first pepper ever to travel into space, taken aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia by astronaut William Lenoir on mission STS-5. The mission log records that Lenoir radioed back, "Tell Woody the jalapeños are outstanding." Serrano. The Serrano is named after the Sierra Mountains of the Mexican states of Puebla and Hidalgo, where it originated. It looks similar to a jalapeño but is smaller, thinner, and significantly hotter. A Serrano measures 10,000 to 25,000 Scoville units, making it roughly 5 times hotter than a jalapeño. The flesh is thinner, which means there's no need to remove the skin before cooking, and the pepper releases heat faster on the palate. Serranos are typically eaten fresh, or used in cooking rather than dried. They're the chili of choice for pico de gallo and fresh salsas in Mexican cuisine, where the bright, crisp heat works better than the milder jalapeño. The flavor is grassy and clean, with a forward heat that lingers. Mexico produces around 180,000 tons of serranos every year, and almost all of it is consumed domestically. In Mexican cooking, the rule of thumb is simple: jalapeño for mild dishes, serrano when the heat needs to come through the other ingredients. Cayenne. The cayenne pepper is named after the city of Cayenne in French Guiana on the northern coast of South America, which is where European traders first encountered it in significant quantities in the 1600s. The pepper is long, thin, and curved, usually 6 to 10 inches in length, and turns a vivid red when ripe. Fresh cayenne is rarely sold in supermarkets. It's almost always seen in its dried and ground form as a red powder used as a spice. Ground cayenne is one of the most widely used hot pepper products in the world. It measures 30,000 to 50,000 Scoville units. The flavor is sharp, slightly fruity, and piercing. with a heat that builds gradually rather than hitting all at once. Cayenne powder is used in Cajun and Creole cooking, in Indian curries, in Sichuan dishes, in North African harissa, and in countless hot sauces, including the original Tabasco-style sauces of Louisiana. It's also been used medicinally for centuries, particularly in traditional remedies for circulation and pain relief. Scotch Bonnet. The Scotch Bonnet is the signature chili of the Caribbean. The name comes from its shape, which is squashed and pleated and resembles a tam o' shanter, a traditional Scottish bonnet hat. It measures 100,000 to 350,000 Scoville units, putting it firmly in the very hot category. It looks similar to a habanero and belongs to the same species, Capsicum chinense, but it has a distinctly different flavor profile. The taste is fruity, tropical, and slightly sweet, with notes of mango, apricot, and tomato underneath the heat. Scotch bonnets are essential to Jamaican jerk seasoning, where they provide both heat and flavor depth. They appear in pepper sauces across Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, and Haiti. The pepper was likely brought to the Caribbean from South America by indigenous traders long before European contact, then spread throughout the islands during the colonial period. Outside the Caribbean, Scotch bonnets are increasingly popular in West African cooking, where they have been incorporated into pepper soup and stews. Habanero. The habanero comes from the Amazon basin and was carried north by trade routes, eventually being cultivated heavily in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, where it remains a staple of regional cuisine. The name means from Havana, even though the pepper isn't native to Cuba. It just passed through Cuban ports during early Spanish trade. A habanero typically measures 100,000 to 350,000 Scoville units, similar to a Scotch bonnet, though some cultivars push higher. The shape is small and lantern-like, and the color ranges from green when unripe to bright orange or red when mature. The flavor is intensely fruity, with floral citrus notes that come through before the heat hits. Yucatecan cuisine uses habaneros constantly, particularly in salsas like xnipek, which means dog's nose in Mayan, a reference to how the pepper makes the eater's nose run. From 1994 until 2006, a cultivar called the Red Savina Habanero held the Guinness World Record as the hottest pepper on Earth, before it was dethroned by a wave of much hotter superhots from India and the Caribbean. Ghost pepper. The ghost pepper, known in Assamese as Bhut Jolokia, comes from northeastern India, particularly the states of Assam, Nagaland, and Manipur. The name Bhut means ghost, and the pepper is said to have earned it because the heat sneaks up on the eater after a delay. Most ghost peppers measure between 855,000 and just over 1 million Scoville units, which is roughly 200 times hotter than a typical jalapeño. In 2007, the ghost pepper was certified by Guinness World Records as the hottest pepper in the world, the first pepper ever to officially break the 1 million Scoville mark. The pepper has a wrinkled, elongated shape and ripens to a deep red. The flavor underneath the heat is fruity and slightly smoky, but the heat itself is delayed, often taking 30 to 45 seconds to fully develop, and then lingering for 30 minutes or longer. In rural northeast India, ghost peppers have been used for centuries as a food ingredient, a preservative, and reportedly as a deterrent against wild elephants when smeared on fences. India's Defense Research and Development Organization has also studied ghost peppers for use in non-lethal crowd control grenades. Carolina Reaper. The Carolina Reaper was bred by Ed Curry at the Pucker-Butt Pepper Company in Fort Mill, South Carolina, and was declared the world's hottest pepper by Guinness World Records in 2013. It held that record for 10 years. The pepper averages around 1.64 million Scoville units, with peak measurements reported above 2.2 million. It's a hybrid created by crossing a ghost pepper with a red habanero, then selectively bred over a decade to maximize heat. The shape is small, gnarled, and ends in a distinctive curved tail that gives the pepper its name. The color is deep red, and the surface is bumpy and rough. Underneath the extreme heat, the flavor is sweet and fruity. In October 2023, the Carolina Reaper was finally dethroned by a new cultivar called Pepper X, also bred by Ed Curry, which Guinness measured at an average of 2,693,000 Scoville units. Curry now holds the record for breeding both the previous and current hottest peppers in the world. Pepper X is roughly 3 times hotter than the Reaper, and Curry has described its heat as immediate and brutal, with no slow build before it arrives.